how to complete a service report or how to do your infield reporting. So since I'm an admin, I am going to go over to the tab and select admin. Under admin, you are going to select worker portal. And what this is exactly what your field worker, crew leader, or manager will see in the field during their job completion. So I am going to select client visits. And as you can see, is going to give you a list of all of your scheduled visits. Now, a couple things you can do here is you can preview each of your visits, which we advise our crew leaders to do in case any tasks or special requests have been added, and that would be this preview button. And it has the customer information, it has their address, the crew, the date, and the tasks to be completed. Now notice that since I am an admin, I have the ability to view a little bit of more details than the crew leader will actually see. From here, you can update it or you can select it to start. So I'm going to select it. And as you can see, I am going to check in and notify client. This step will trigger a text message or an email notification based on your customer profile specifics. So I am going to check in and notify. And as you can see, it says the lawn maintenance tasks are to prune, clean the gutters, and blow the property. I am going to select them as completed. And here a job note would be check priority notes. If there were any, they would be here displayed in red. Now you can add a material from this list. You will have a pre-populated list, and I can select deer spray, and then you add your quantity. You can add as many materials as needed. And as you can see, once I added that material, it's going to display it here for me. In case I made a mistake, I can delete it or I can go back and change the quantity. Now, if there is a material that is currently not on the list and you wish to add it, you can go to add a one-time material, select the description of the material, the type of material, and you enter the cost and the price. Now, you can also select notes about your visit, and these populated notes have been pre-populated by your admin or your owner. So for instance, I'm going to select your property looks great, thanks for the business, and save the visit details. It is going to give you a review screen for you to ensure that you have typed in the correct information. So here it says these were the tasks completed, this is the materials that you're billing, and this is the note and all of the details that are going to appear in your completed service report. I am then going to select confirm the visit details, and we are going to account for the people present. So head of main crew, it says 1. Let's say there was 1 crew leader, and let's say 2 crew members. So I'm going to change this one to 0. And it's going to ask you how many hours on site. I am going to say 1 hour and save the visit details. And this job is billed by the hour. If you have an agreement with your customers via fixed price, you also have the ability to bill fixed price, but that job would have to be created as a fixed price job. As you can see, it has also given me a review screen that says these are the people that you want to account for and the number of hours. And you can either choose to complete this visit and send your customer the service report, or you can select this visit as ongoing, and that would mean that it will stay on the schedule for whenever you will fully finish it, or you can return to the crew details to update any information. I am going to select visit complete, and it is going to ask you if you are sure, and I'm going to say yes, and it says you have successfully completed this visit. Now, what this is going to do, it is going to send the customer a completed service report with all of those details that they can access from their customer portal, and they will also receive it a link via text and an email. Now I am going to go to reporting, and I'm going to go to service report. You can also go to the customer name and find the completed report, but as you can see here under service reports, you can select the name, and it's going to give you all of the information that we just reported. So it's going to have the client, the crew leader, the date, the time in and the time out. It's going to give you those notes, the task, and the billable information. Now from here you can edit or resend to your customer for any reason. Now note that some of this information is not visible to your customer or to your crew leader. So this is what it looks like, and that is how you complete a job in the field, and this is what it translates to.